Okay, so what's life without a little challenge, right? And I think the only thing that will keep me going and make me do something new, different, or do something great for you all to watch, and a total insider video into how I get ready when I'm in a rush, and challenge myself this time to do a 10-minute get ready with me video. And this is how I look just after work. I've just washed my face. So right now, by my watch, it's 10 to 8 and I have to be ready by 8. So let's see. Does Alina win this challenge or not? Okay, so I'm starting with my moisturizer. This is the Biotherm Aqua Source. I'm not going to be showing you all the products. I'm just going to keep saying it because I don't have the time. And I'm still filming this video. So you just have to bear with me. I'm kind of scared that this video is gonna like bite me in the ass, but okay, still gonna do it. Okay, this is a lip primer and base by Colorbar. It hydrates also and it primes, so my lipstick will last longer. I'm actually looking through my makeup stuff and that's what I keep looking. Okay, let's prime the face. I think I'm gonna use my Versali Unicorn Essence. Okay, running out of time. I like it how the YouTubers actually like can make a whole tear out of it, although mine is looking at that very soon. I'm just scared of using so much product. Okay, this one looks like a tear. Okay. By the way, I did the biggest task though, and that's gonna help me, which is I decided my clothes. So I'm not gonna be wasting time on that. Let's conceal, conceal, conceal. Using my Inglot concealer. Yeah, you've been seeing me using that a lot because I haven't opened up any of my new stuff because I've yet to film that. So they're lying just packed up, waiting for me to film. Since my skin is actually doing pretty okay, maybe today I'm going to skip putting like a liquid foundation. Yeah, and that's how I'm going to save time. Yeah, I'll just use my concealer here and there. I'm going to use one of my oldest foundations which I have from MAC. This is actually a loose foundation. It's a mineralized one from MAC, and yeah, look at this. This is what it looks like. But anyway, the powder is inside. I'm going to use that with my brush. I'm just taking out like stuff, my makeup stuff and my brushes. Okay then. Okay, we are 5 minutes up already. And all I did was just conceal and like prime and stuff. Damn it. Okay, well, looks decent enough. Sorta. What is wrong with this? I'm trying to put on more. Hi. That's my mother, and we have to leave in like 5 minutes. If she sees me filming this video, she's gonna yell at me because I'm trying to do so many things at one time, which means I'm gonna get late. Using my Rainwater's brush. This will save me all the time possible. What are you gonna do? I think I'm gonna do just a very light contour. I'm using my Guerlain. Keep getting confused how to spell it. Terracotta. I think I'm gonna go a little pinky on my cheeks today because of what I'm planning to wear. It's just a very light pink, so yeah. This is the one by MAC. It's called Giggly. Giggly. I think that's good enough. Just a little flush of color. Okay. Wow. Every time I do this, I love my contouring so much I forgot to do my brows. I used Anastasia Beverly Hill Dip Brow Pomade, which is kind of drying out, and I need to add the Unicorn Essence in this. Sorry, I can't look at your eye because I need to kind of focus. And looking at the camera and doing this is just gonna make me take forever. Okay, here you go. Add so much more character to the face. Done. I will definitely have to skip I cannot even think of doing eye makeup, so I'm gonna just use my white liner pencil. We'll definitely have to use some mascara now. Gonna use the YSL baby doll. This one just is for the length. Little confession, I actually bought this just because of the packaging. Yeah, actually there are a lot of things I buy just because it's pretty, but that's just me. Been like that for years now. So being a blogger is just meant to be. It's like doing a live video actually, but it's not live, so y'all are not disturbing me literally. Okay, hurry up, Alina. Yeah, that's what I do with the little, with the length on the sides. Lovely. Oh, my mascaras go in a separate jar now because I have so many mascaras. Okay, let's just do a little highlight, and I think I'm just gonna run. Can't wait to use a Maybelline one, which is like super shiny, but I've got something similar. This is actually by Stars, and it's got like this pearly pinky kind of thing happening, so let's do that. Since I'm not going out for something extremely glamorous, just a dinner, I need to be careful to not look OTT. I don't mean normal is not pretty, but I think a little makeup goes a long way, especially when we have to take pictures and stuff. Okay, yeah, I'm pretty much done. I'm done. Lipstick I will do later. Let me just quickly run and change. My camera's definitely not gonna be on for that. Let me give you a time count, by the way. 10 minutes are done. In fact, it's 8:01. I don't think I've made this challenge, but okay, let me just see how much more time I can take. So ready with me video that I'm doing after my trip, so I'm extremely excited, using a lot of new stuff. These are my new shoes by 14th and Union. Wearing these. So now I'll be able to fit better into the frame. I might squat at the frame. Woo. Let's do my hair. Actually, I could do that in the car. I mean the cab, since I'm not driving. Let's see what looks better. Or should I leave it open? Damn, now I wish this was a live video. I've asked y'all. Okay, leaving it open it is. Right, it doesn't look worse. Good time. Let's see. Okay, I am tying this up. Okay, we've clocked 15 minutes. While I was going to get my shoe, I realized mother was not fully ready yet, so hence she's not going crazy. Here's a trick I'm going to tell you all. Because I look a little bald here, just gonna use a little, show you all already know about this trick. But there's this eyeshadow brush that I use only for my smoky eyes, and it has some leftover shadow, so that's all I'm going to use. See, so much of a difference. The light isn't bouncing off my scalp. I can't believe I'm doing this at almost 30. What am I going to do at 50? Anyway, lipstick. Need to choose a lipstick. I'm going to throw on my accessories and then we're going to decide that. Already now I'm going to wear this watch. Please don't ask me to tell you all everything that I'm wearing because that's a bit much. But okay, this is an MK watch. I'm going to put my sleeve up. These were these really cute studs that I got from Charming Charlie, and which I picked up in the US. And they actually turned out to be such a good buy. I knew what I'd use, like small studs with stuff like this. Should I put it up a little? Maybe. This was a necklace that I picked up from Aldo like so long back. At least 7 years back. 6-7 years back, yeah. And I absolutely love it. Like, it's such a classic piece and so me, like so chunky yet classy. I try to be on time, okay? As y'all can see, I do struggle. I'm just wasting time talking to y'all because y'all are distracting me. But here, look, okay. This also means this video now can't go on IGTV. Also, I'm going to eat dinner. So I better not be putting on lipstick that's going to come off and look like really bad. So I think I'm going to do this nice nude pink. But the thing is, it's too light, so I'm going to use my lip liner. My lips look so baby dollish. Actually, I couldn't have gone just like completely nude my lips. I didn't do anything nice. So, how cute. And lastly, oh, I forgot about my perfume. Again, something new. I'm going to use my YSL Mocari, the Couture one. It's a new one. Bottle is so cute. And I didn't buy this for the packaging. I just really love the smell and I've been wanting it for a while. So yeah, keep the thing away from. Did I spray it on my camera? So stupid. Guys, so here's a look at me. And I can't show you more because my room is a mess. Because as you can see, I've just been hustling. Okay, wait, before I go, I hope you guys liked this video. I know it was a fail attempt and I sucked at the challenge. But I hope you liked watching it, listening to me jabber away. Just leave your comments and let me know. I've got to really run. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe, and do like the video.